Hey guys, Scarlett at Builder Cross here, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this campfire cutout. I'm going to go in first with the color chocolate and base coat my logs at the bottom. Next I'm going to go in with the color Honky Tonk Red, which is a really bright fire red, and just paint like a fire design in the center of my fire here. And then I'm going to build off of that. So off of that one, I'm going to go in with Barn Red, kind of outlining it. And then I'll outline Barn Red in terracotta. And then I'll outline terracotta and finish off my base coating with the color Kernel Mustard. So here I go again with that Barn Red. Now I'm in Kernel Mustard. And now I'm going to go in with the color Putty and a number 4 round and just do a little bit of design on my logs down here. Going to kind of give them just a wood grain. And then I'm going to go in on my fire part and just kind of highlight everything here and there with black, kind of giving it an outline, but I'm not following it too precisely. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.